In today's video, I'll show you how to use intake forms in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you need to collect information from clients before an appointment, intake forms can help you gather important details automatically during the booking process. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Intake Forms section from the left side menu. This is where you create and manage forms for your appointments. Next, click New Form to create a new intake form. Now give your form a name so you can easily identify it later. For example, you might create a client information form, consultation questionnaire, or health assessment form. After that, start adding questions. You can include text fields, multiple choice questions, checkboxes, drop-down menus, and other response types, depending on the information you need. Think about what details are important before the appointment. For example, you might ask about goals, preferences, contact information, medical history, or special requests. Once your questions are ready, save the form. Next, attach the intake form to one or more appointment types. This ensures clients are asked to complete the form when booking those specific services. You can also choose whether the form is required or optional before the appointment is confirmed. After setting everything up, save your changes. Now, whenever a client books the selected service, Acuity will automatically present the intake form as part of the booking process. When responses are submitted, you can review them directly from the appointment details or client profile before the session begins. Before finishing, test the booking process yourself to make sure the form appears correctly and collects the information you need. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used intake forms in Acuity Scheduling to gather client information more efficiently. And that's how you use intake forms in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.